Gonna try opening a pack of 1983 Topps stickers. Love that 25-cent price tag. Oh, if only. Made in Italy. Reggie Jackson. Right on the wrapper. Topps Chewing Gum, Duryea, Pennsylvania. Made in Italy. We're all good 80s stickers were made. And let's see, 1983 Topps stickers. Oh, it's a quiz game because the number's Glenn Wilson. Names are on the back. Ooh. Jim Clancy. Johnny Bench. Nice sticker. Mid-80s. Gold foil, Robin Yount. Hall of Famer. Not bad. Jay Johnstone? It is Jay Johnstone. And last but not least, that can only be Ron Hassey, right? Ron Hassey. 1983 Topps stickers. Don't forget, made in Italy.